We held the policy rate at 7.25%.
A widely expected move as inflation remains a headache for the central bank. The Reserve Bank of India kept key policy rates unchanged. The central bank said that the benchmark repo rate, the level at which it lends to commercial banks, would remain at 7.25%. The reverse repo rate stays at 6.25%. And the RBI signaled that its battle against inflation will continue, but it will be looking at a number of factors.
We're looking for whether the recent increases in inflation were temporary and whether the monsoon will continue to be near normal. The oil price development is very beneficial, and we will await greater transmission of our past front-loaded actions while we look and monitor developments for emerging room for more accommodation.
The most worrisome factor for the central bank is the hardening in non-food and fuel inflation. On economic growth, Governor Rajan said that outlook is improving gradually and maintained the projection at 7.6% for financial year 16. He, however, warned that the contraction in exports could become a prolonged drag on growth going forward. On Monetary Policy Committee, Rajan said that there is no difference between him and the government.
Government and RBI have reached a broad consensus on what such a committee should look like and what the powers of the governor should be. While the details have to be ironed out, there are no differences between the government and the RBI in this matter.
The central bank also nudged banks to lower rates. Banks have just passed on an average 0.3% interest rate cut as against 0.75% rate cut since January. RBI has cut rates thrice so far in 2015 by 25 basis points each. The next bi-monthly monetary policy of Reserve Bank of India will be announced next on September the 29th. Business Bureau, DD News.